In this video, I will show you how to see people sampling or clipping from your YouTube video on your YouTube channel. Let me show you how. Quite a lot number of people are not aware of this, and I decided to make a video about this to be aware that people, whether viewer or subscriber, are likely sampling from your YouTube video, and as a result of that, you are not getting anything from what they are sampling from your video. Let me show you how to see them on your YouTube channel. First thing first, open up your YouTube app. So you can do this on your Android. Have you opened up your YouTube app? All you have to do is to make sure you simply click on your profile icon right here. Click on your profile icon. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this setting icon. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Then you want to make sure you click on clips right here. So click on clips. And it's going to take you right here. So right here, you have all video clipping from your original video, just like what you see right here. Now, you can review and remove as many as possible different users that are clipping from your video. Like for instance, this particular one here was clipping about 4 years ago by this user. I made something. So if I click on it, then the video will start to be playing. So you can see the name of the user that are clipping from this particular video. Okay, now how do I remove this clip? So I can simply click on here to run back to my clip right here. Now you can remove them as much as possible. So for you to remove any sample clip from your channel, click on this 3 dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on delete. When you delete, remove this clip from your channel. Go ahead and simply click on remove. When you remove, it does not affect your original video. Why you remove some of this is that you are trying to, so you can remove as many as possible clip. Take a look at this one again, 3 dots. I'm going to remove this clip and remove. You can remove as many as possible unwanted sampling or clipping from your video on your YouTube channel. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.